money
Fuck.
the day before,
I
so
don't-
I just gave.
I don't buy gap ups like that. It's a little sketch. What's it gapping up on? Just the news of fucking Kathy?
Why did she buy it?
Yeah, she's buying it.
Wait, Kathy's buying GameStop?
Hims.
Hims.
Oh, I'm like, what the fuck?
It's smart. Direct-to-consumer company. It'll be around for a while. Probably
1 hour
super
ascending
low
triangle.
overhead. Yeah.
If silver recovered strong.
My fill sucks. I got filled at 1801 like a dumb fuck.
Oh yeah, I pretty much bought the top two. What did I get? 1750.
Yeah, I was green for about 5 seconds.
What's up, guys?
Going on.
I'll buy
dumbass had
lower
an
here
order
when we
set at
crash.
17 flat too.
17 was, that's what I was going to set my buy at. I didn't take it though.
That's what I did, and then I just like got impatient. And I just like bought some for 1750, like a fucking idiot.
Oh, we just got an email from Tastyworks saying that AMC, GME, and cost closing status lifted.
So they're all.
Did I just hear
all the
dime?
hedge funds, yeah, I'm here. All the hedge funds closed their shorts or otherwise got upside protection.
Dime, tell me about silver. What the fuck's going on? Are you loaded yet or what?
I'm fucking loaded, bro.
Hell
I was-
yeah,
I was
guy. I'm
down-
happy for
I was-
you.
I was down $4,000 yesterday, and now I'm up $7,000. So
There you
Hell
go.
yeah.
Yo,
Take
what's
that profit off
what are
the
your
table.
silver
targets long term 40.
Nice.
It's gonna go up. The chart is screaming that it's gonna
Dime,
go
I
up.
was 1 day late, dude. I finally decided I was gonna join you last night.
I have been ranting about it for months.
I
and
was
you people
1 day
have all
late.
made fun of me.
I finally decided while I was laying in bed, I was like, you know what? This weekly chart actually looks pretty good. I'm gonna buy it in the morning. And then it fucking gaps up, dude.
Your entry, it's still early, bro. Like
No,
it's a
I know.
real
I'm
rough
probably
day.
gonna end up picking it up. I just want to wait for the leaps to calm down.
Yeah, that's probably smart.
I just want the IV to come down
I
a little
woke
bit.
up. I woke up and I was up $14,000 on them, and I was like, "Wait, what the fuck?"
Yep.
These were down 14,000 PL for the day, not total like actual PL, but that wiped out all my losses. I bought a few more calls today. Also, I bought past $40 calls for January 2022. Weekly chart looks fucking baller to me, and all of the miners will go up if silver goes up. So
Yeah, I
same
made
thing.
my decision finally because I was in bed looking at the 3-day and the weekly. And the 3-day is giving a bunch of buy signals, and it looks exactly like a bulldog. And the weekly has a bulldog as well. If the 3-day
Dime.
breaks that pivot, I'll probably get in.
Someone said my name.
Hey, Dime.
Hi.
Fuck you.
Okay. And I'm leaving voice for another week.
Sorry, I don't know why.
Y'all are bullies.
I just had the urge to say I don't know why. I'm sorry.
Time just like kindly just explained silver to us and like had some ideas to share. Sees it's like, fuck you.
This is why Dime doesn't come around. He's always telling me you guys are being mean to him.
Damn.
It doesn't go up every day, so I don't want to trade it. Silver's stupid. It's going to 0. J-May said it's trash. Fuck you, Dime.
Fucking
I
dumpster
made fun of
fire.
it yesterday, but I was gonna buy it this morning and fucking.
It's still early.
Hey, Jose.
If
Super, what's
if
going on?
silver,
Yeah, I
if
bought
silver
that
actually goes
I'm
up,
up like
it's,
fucking 5%.
if silver
Dime, you said
actually
PAAS?
pass, yeah, Pan American Silver.
The January 22nd or 2022?
Yep, they're a little expensive, but if the miners actually take off, they pay out. You can also do WPM. You can buy spot Gato, SILJ, junior miners.
Which strike?
I bought the 40 strikes, but you can pick whichever.
Did you
one
say
want.
PAS?
Like pass, yeah, with 2 A's.
Oh, 2A.
I put it in my channel if you need the spelling. Deja, do you
I
They
see
didn't know
don't know
that.
how to read, Dime.
I know.
Hey,
better
that
with
company
voice.
that we were talking about, like with the merger possible with Nokia, it's pumping today.
Which one is
That
that?
GSAT, that Global Star.
Oh, yeah.
Deja,
Yep.
see my chart? It's in the chat. Don't even have to scroll up.
1 sec, answering messages.
Thanks, Don.
Yeah, that one, I've seen that. You posted on Twitter.
Yep.
Yep.
So the accumulation distribution line is a leading indicator. It's super OP. And it tells you that the volume based on the price action, people are accumulating longs, and it's done nothing but go up. And
Oh, hey, what's up, Di?
it can keep going up for a while before silver actually moves. But as long as it's going up, the bull thesis is still intact.
Jose, if AMC doesn't start pumping now that all the exchanges have lifted their restrictions, then yeah, I would say it's dead. But this is the last chance for all these meme stocks to keep pumping, because the restrictions have been lifted on Robinhood, Webull, Tasty, TD Ameritrade, all of them.
Hey, look at GSAT, dude. In the last 30 minutes, it's done like a big fucking chunk of volume. Its average volume in the last 30 minutes, it's ripping, dude.
1.2 million, yeah.
Look at the 5-minute chart, like how dead the candles are until 30 minutes ago.
I use many different time frames, man. I don't stick to one.
Literally just did 30% of its average volume in 30 minutes.
The daily time frame is what I base most of my trades off of. It's a 1 hour bulldog, it looks like, forming GSAT.
Yeah, this thing might send it real hard here.
I like Zoom, Mucky. I called out Zoom in Discord really low today. I decided not to trade it because I think it's a little extended on the higher time frame still. It's a little overvalued. I try not to trade companies that are overvalued. I like this a lot, though. Really nice setup. I think you get 425 pretty easily, 445. I called it out in Discord around like 371, 372, somewhere around here. It's been running ever since. Spy target would just be a gap fill. 384. It hasn't filled the gap yet. Are you in GSAT, Jamie?
No. I'm looking at it though. I'm watching it.
Yeah. How's Penn doing?
Look how much volume is coming in on it, man.
Yeah, I got a feeling that Tesla's gonna go straight up like the last fucking 10 minutes.
Hope so.
Yeah, it's getting a lot of volume.
GSAT, right?
Yeah, GSAT.
Like a lot.
Yeah, it's more volume than it's had in the past like 4 or 5 days.
In the last 30 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Like lately, like Tesla's been like consolidating like all day, going like slowly upwards.
The gap fills at 384 Fallout. Same level you said. Shorts have already repositioned. Yeah, the shorts definitely used that time to reposition on the meme stocks. For sure. DraftKings pulling back a little bit.
Like somehow it was okay to liquidate everybody so they could reposition.
Dude, I can't fucking take this trade. What does it say? Selected equity is hard to borrow and borrow fees will apply.
That's usually for shorting. You might be trying to short it on accident.
You might do, yeah, exactly. Sell the close or sell the open or something.
You only borrow when you're shorting.
I think I just fucked it. Yep, you're right.
Yeah, a lot of people were red today for ag. I was red today as well, but I'm just losing a little bit of profit from the week. So I'm very, very green on the week, and I'm very happy about that. I lost a lot of money on Smile Direct because I'm trading leaps, and they had very wide spreads. So when this started falling, it was really hard to get out of. So I gave up a little profit on Smile Direct. Very, very beautiful trade, though. What else? I lost money on Nokia. I traded Nokia overnight.
Some good calls in here still today.
Dude, it won't let me buy fucking 5,000 shares. Order size exceeds the limit. Contact the trade desk. What the fuck?
Is
For
it
what ticker?
is
Just
it
buy
OTC?
two different orders.
No.
What are you trying to buy?
GSAT.
Yeah, you
Why
could
is it
break.
telling me
You
this?
could break it up. Probably just do a.
Two orders of 2,500 or 2,000 and 3,000, JMA.
But why is it doing that?
No idea why. There might not be block-sized orders available of that size
No, there are. I'm
from
looking
a
at the
seller.
one.
I think all the meme stocks are done. If they don't bounce with the end of the day, I'm done trading them either
Here,
way.
silver's mooning.
Their short squeeze potential is definitely limited now that the hedge funds know what's going on.
Yeah.
But they can still pump just because Robinhood, Wall Street Bets is still gonna fucking buy them.
The volume is going to be much lower than it was. It's just not worth the risk. The last day to chase them, I think, was yesterday. You could still chase them and make some money, get lucky, but the risk to reward is way different.
I think they're gonna move to crypto. To be honest, they're gonna start pumping crypto because no one can stop them. You know.
I just say everybody should just hop into silver and call it a day.
Yo, I think you're actually right about that. I got a bunch of silver, and I just grabbed some of the PAAS leaps because dime, and I think that makes.
Bitcoin's been fucking pumping. Mara's doing really well. Like Johnny called that out this morning. Looks good. Damn, Johnny, that thing's been ripping.
Bro, I got like the whole glitching thing this morning got me upset. So like I was already up on it, but like not like I was up like $50. And I was like, bro, I'm pretty sure it's gonna run because it had no theta and it was still 50 delta. And it just fucking pumped the moment I sold it. I'm like, bet.
Yeah, it went up like 28% today.
Bitcoin
Yeah,
is
$18 strikes.
it's almost at 33.
USLT silver's a long-term trade. I don't have short-term targets.
You can't
I
even
literally-
trade the commodity short term.
it. Like you can like sell supports and resistances, but the reality is that it's gonna fucking squeeze to 40, and I'd rather just have really long dated calls and just sit and wait.
February's have high open interest. February like silver
Ev-
calls, AG
ev-
calls.
Yeah, they're expecting like a super giga pump, but in reality, that could leave a lot of your premium before it actually gets there. That's why I'm in 2022 calls, June calls, September calls. I have a whole spread of them.
Yeah, you shouldn't be trying to trade commodities short term. You're already shooting yourself in the foot if you're trying to trade commodities short term. Same thing is said with every commodity: gold, oil, all of them. Is there a 3x leveraged ETF for silver?
AGQ.
AGQ.
That thing looks like dog shit.
Well, yeah, because
That's 3x leveraged?
Yes.
Or is it just an ETF? Because it doesn't look like it's that leveraged.
Yeah, it's leverage as a power share.
Huh.
It doesn't move much when silver's not moving much. You're
But
better off.
when silver moves, that shit fucking moves.
Yeah, you're
bro.
betting on it gapping, basically. That's all it does is gap. Either it gaps against you or it gaps for you.
Yeah, like that shit moves like Tesla a little bit. Like it'll move like $5, $6, like real fast. But if it goes against you, it fucks you up real fast as well.
The best calls you can take on silver, I think, are the January 2022s. I think playing the leaps is the best way to play it. The ones that I was looking at yesterday that I was going to buy this morning was the $24 calls. They're up like 60% though, so I'm not buying them anymore.
Like February 19th, AG calls, like they got high open interest. And Deltas is like above 40, and Theta is really, really low and high open interest. A little bit of volume.
The best way to play silver is buying really dated contracts because they have no theta. You don't want any theta on silver because it's a long-term trade. Yeah, I was literally one day late. I was going to buy this.
Deja, was there a block trade? AG just like ticked up, like if there was like a block trade and went like up to like 1895.
No, I don't see one.
I guess it
Silver
was just
got one not too long ago.
it was probably reacting to silver.
DraftKings just refuses to stay above 57. Yeah, I know, USLT. Fucking, this was the one time it would have paid off immediately. Hey, that gold trade that we took, we were up huge on that gold trade, and then we stayed in too long and it gapped down.
All right, so practically if Tesla goes above his higher day, it should run, right? What, that's 848?
Yeah, I think as soon as Tesla fills that gap, it's going to go higher. Their earnings weren't that bad. They missed them by a little bit. But then he announced that they were releasing that new interior for the higher models.
Yeah, and you can play Cyberpunk in it too as
Yeah, I
well.
saw that. It's hilarious.
Doesn't Cyberpunk suck?
The story was good. The game, the characters and the models, like the really in-person stuff, was really good. It's just that a lot of the game mechanics are absolutely fucking broken, and especially on consoles. Like I enjoyed playing it. I really enjoyed the story, but it was very limited. It was very lackluster compared to what we were kind of promised.
PlayStation was giving refunds to people, right?
Yeah, they took it off the store.
I mean, the fact alone that you can play a video game from your car is pretty cool.
If silver ever does pump, are you going to sell your physical silver time?
Maybe at 40. I've been holding silver since like 14, 13 when Bitcoin was 200.
What's like your average price of your physical?
Probably somewhere in the 14 range.
Not bad.
It's not bad at all. I bought every
The
pump
fuck?
for the last couple years, and then
Fucking 14? God damn, John.
I was buying it when Bitcoin was 200.
He was
So
buying it
ask
when
me
you were
if I
born,
actually
Johnny.
won.
Oh, you see, bro, I've been dying to do that. What the fuck? Yep, I gotta do that.
What do you base your physical off of? Like the futures
Or
XAG?
I look at AppMex and see what they're selling or what I can sell physical to them for.
Gotcha. I've never actually bought physical metals.
It's fucking
I
satisfying.
buy gold, but
Do
silver
yourself a
takes up too
favor.
much fucking
Do yourself a favor and buy yourself a 100-ounce bar and just like beat your enemies to death with it. It's super useful.
I do have silver coins in a bag somewhere.
Yeah, SNDL Sundial was ripping. It's being pumped by a bunch of people on Twitter. All the solar companies are being pumped by Twitter guys. Twitter gurus. That's why I'm not touching any of these companies. If you want to touch clean energy, look at TAN. This is what the big guys are trading, not those fucking penny stocks that are being pumped.
SunPower is good.
TAN looks really good. You're bouncing off a daily trail, buy signal coming in, big gap above you, easy target. Little extended on the weekly. But I called this out before Biden was even elected. I said this was going to run if Biden won. What was the other one? It's TAN and
SunPower.
no, there's another ETF.
Oh, IC something, ICLN.
I got it in my Biden portfolio. ICLN, yep. ICLN is another good one. This one looks a little weaker than TAN though. Yeah, I would definitely, if you're trying to trade clean energy long term, I would be looking at TAN for more of a safer conservative play. If you want to trade something a little more risky, SPWR has been running a lot. SunPower. Is that the one you were just mentioning, Dime?
Yep.
Yeah, SunPower is not bad.
I've got like 500 shares of SunPower. It's been great to me.
Yeah, definitely high risk up here if you're getting in late because you should have been buying this around like 30 to 20. This is the impulse, so this is the accumulation. You're a little late. What are some of the other ones you have? FSLY or not? No, FSLR. FSLR is not as bad. This doesn't look that bad, actually. You're still accumulating. So you have the distribution right above your previous high. So this looks really good. You can see how if you break like 107, 110, you don't have a whole lot above you here. So you should be able to rip higher. So if you look at FSLR, compare that to SPWR, you can see this is where FSLR is. You're in that accumulation. SPWR is already impulsing. So this is one that you would want to pick up, not SPWR. You can see how that one already broke out. This actually looks pretty good. I'm going to put this on my watch list. FSLR. Tesla looks good. I would like to see it fill the gap. It's weak below 850. It holds the gap fill, 865. It looks pretty strong. Nice buy signal on the daily. It hasn't given you a buy signal in months. So, pretty strong. It's going to be very aggravating if DraftKings closes below 57 with all that volume that came in. I got in Wolf already. Not a big fan. I'm not going to hold it for much longer. It's accumulating, but it's just nasty price action.
Did you see that I dumped on Mia Khalifa?
What'd you say?
Well,
yeah, I did see your tweets, yeah.
She was like, buy, and I'm like, sell, 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 sell.
Dollar General fucking pumping for no reason.
Dollar General should do well as long as China is favorable with the
massive,
Biden administration.
massive block trade just came in on Dollar General. It's ripping.
And you guys ever seen The Sopranos?
Of course not.
Woke up
In The Sopranos, he was talking about Mia Khalifa, and I was just remembering in Sopranos the way they would say whore is they would say hua.
What?
She was a hua.
Keep an eye on DraftKings. You're getting, or not DraftKings, sorry, Dollar General. You're getting massive capitulation volume down here. Block trades coming in to buy the dip. Look at the weekly pivot. Look at the weekly pivot on Dollar General. That block trade came in right on the pivot.
There was one time when he said, "Oh, you remember them Puerto Rican huas?"
Dollar General DG.
Yep.
Oh, that chart looks hot.
The entry on Tesla, if you were buying the dip, was down at like 800. That was the support that I called out in the analysis. You're buying it here. You're buying a little late. If you're late to Tesla, you might as well just wait for the gap fill or wait for it to hold above like 865. You're buying it into resistance here.
There's no option flow on Dollar General.
Yeah, it's only shares. It got a massive block trade, over 1 million shares traded at 199.
It's really tempting on that weekly pivot.
The block trade like literally came in almost to the penny on the pivot.
JMA, you got family members that say it like that?
Sorry, my mic muted. Say what?
I said, do you have family members who say it like that?
Say what? Like what?
Hua?
Hua?
Yeah.
Someone's buying the 215 calls on DG for 19th of February.
If it reclaims that daily pivot, I like it a lot. If it reclaims 202. This thing's a fucking slow mover, though. Better off betting on horses.
Probably a Jersey thing.
DraftKings nuking.
Is it? NVIDIA, I called out earlier. It didn't look too bad for a gap fill. Failed the gap fill, though. Doesn't look too good. I don't like NVIDIA unless it claims 550. DraftKings is really frustrating up here.
What's XRT?
I don't know why there are so many big players holding it below 57.
Look at the XRT weekly chart.
That's retail.
XRP
Probably
Holy
includes
shit.
GameStop.
Di-
Spider retail ETF.
Dime, they finally added a button where you can hide all your indicators. Holy shit.
What?
On
Yeah.
TradingView?
Seen that.
Fucking took them forever.
What are you talking about?
Instead of hiding all your drawings, you can hide all your indicators.
Where is it?
Same button on your hide drawings.
What
Where?
The little eye.
It doesn't actually hide them completely, though. It doesn't hide the OTS candle colors.
I don't know what you're talking about, but
Or does it? Let me see. No, it doesn't. Don't worry about it, Dime. You know, just don't worry about it.
Oh, hide drawings, hide indicators, hide drawings and indicators. Okay, that's kind of cool. I guess. Not really. I just turned them off. Whatever.
Look at FSR, JMA. That thing looks ready to rip.
SR.
FSLR, sorry. FSLR. It'd be a longer term trade, but nice.
Yeah, I have this charted out already.
Yeah. If it
For solar, right?
Yeah, if it breaks that daily pivot, I'll probably get involved.
Yep.
I like it.
Yeah, I actually have an alert set up there. Yeah, market's nuking right now.
Yeah, the monthly just broke out of a fucking almost 10-year range on First Solar.
Not nuking, but pulling back.
I think you're good. The advanced decline line is still staying steady, not falling.
Yeah, SPWR looks decent. I just don't like how extended it is. You're really late to the party if you're getting an SPWR here. You're buying an impulse. If you're buying an impulse, you're buying a breakout. So buying it here makes no sense. You're better off buying it at 54 because that's where the breakout of the impulse is. On impulses like this, if you're late, you buy pullbacks or you buy breakouts. You don't buy them when they're doing this. So like on the 1 hour, that's what you want it to look like on the daily. Because you have the impulse and then you have the distribution. So you could buy the breakout of the distribution. You could buy the pullback of the distribution. But on the daily, you're just buying a top, basically. Literally every single buy signal has played out on SPWR. So anytime it gives you a buy signal, just fucking buy it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 for 16. Pretty good odds. Yeah, ES didn't like that level. That 38.18.
Yeah, that hourly pivot wasn't fun.
Yeah.
I think it.
Oh yeah,
tapped
the
in.
hour. We'll look at the new one it put in. It put in a new doji pivot.
Davey Day Trader's going off right now, dude.
Dude, I'm fucking going off. I'm fucking pissed about what happened today. They literally.
Yeah.
It's ridiculous.
They fucked the market. They
Like I
fucked
said,
it.
nothing is gonna happen
Yeah.
either.
They fucking killed all these people. They stole money from so many different people, myself included. Fuck them. But like, and with nothing being done about it. How come nobody in the government stepped in when this?
So they don't give a fuck.
Yeah, we know why.
They just needed to get their hedge.
I'm just
funds.
waiting for the normies to figure it
You
out.
see Bitlord's back time?
Yeah, I already muted him.
Oh, you don't like Bitlord?
He's obnoxious as fuck.
He is obnoxious, but he's funny as hell.
He's funny.
Idol,
He absolutely.
bro.
He's really funny. He's really obnoxious though. Like I just can't handle that kind of attitude. Like I don't have anything against him.
No, I hear
It's
you.
just he's such an obnoxious boltard. Seems like a nice guy. I'd probably have a beer with him, but it's just like, ugh.
He's like, something's fucked up when AOC and Donald Trump Jr. are on the same side.
I'm pretty sure she wouldn't even accept that. Ted Cruz tried to reach out to
I
her
saw
and be
that.
like,
She
I
told him to
agree.
resign.
And then she's like, man, I'm still mad that you almost got me killed 2 weeks ago. And it's like, he didn't do that. I don't know what you're talking about. You're just looking for someone to blame. Fuck you.
Hey, Sneaky, Bitcoin's been doing pretty good, man. Daily trail is flipped red, still red. So pretty bad. But if you break that trail, that's when you go bullish again. If you look at the last time we flipped red, way back here, as soon as you broke that and it flipped, it ran really hard.
Oh my god, someone just told me that AOC is doing Twitch later to talk
Yeah,
about
8:30.
GameStop. Oh my god.
Yeah.
8:30 Eastern time?
Eastern, yeah.
She's gonna have so many people watching because she's such a moron. I'm just hoping for highlights. I don't think I could sit through a whole.
Man, ES did not like that pivot.
No, I put in a new one. The new one's nasty too.
It came in for a perfect bearish retest of the range.
It's at
It's putting in
38.17.
a the 1 hour ES. It's putting in a Bronchiosaurus. You see the Bronchiosaurus?
No. But
1 hour?
Yeah, 1 hour.
Oh,
Jamie
1
knows.
hour.
Yeah,
was
I
thinking
see
of the
it.
4 hour.
Small legs, big neck. Look at that thing.
Look at the 1 hour pivot double bottom. That was beautiful. Literally pivot to pivot. Double bottomed off the pivot, and then it topped out almost to the penny on that pivot. Actually, it missed it by a little bit. Topped out on the new pivot. That's the Oasis trading suite that puts those pivots in. Bitcoin long term right now looks pretty bearish. You have to flip the OTS trail green again before I'd be even interested in long term bullish sentiment. How's the weekly trail doing? You're really far away. 22,000. Yeah, you would have to flip this green again. You would have to flip the candles white. First time the candles have been black in a long time. See, when you're black above the trail, it's usually not that bad. The trail can hold you up. But when you're black below the trail, it's usually a downtrend. You could see something like this, where you impulse down, it turns black, you get a little bit of bear pressure, but then the bulls accumulate, and then it breaks, trail goes green, and it rips. So you need a re-break of the trail goes green, usually a good sign it's going to run. You can see the last few times it turned green, it ran really hard. Basically every single time the daily trail goes green, it rips.
Is
Yeah.
Excel dead?
It's so funny because if this never happened to Robinhood, their IPO would have been extremely bullish. Now their IPO is probably going to get decimated.
I literally hope they fucking Short that piece of shit to the floor.
I hope all the Wall Street bros like buy it up to accumulate it, then they just fucking dump it on them.
Dump it on the suits.
Yeah. Just all simultaneously fucking dump their shares.
People just need new platforms.
Gonna mute Discord real quick. Gonna go over something on stream. If you guys on stream, if you didn't see our Twitter post, we are releasing a new tier for our Discord. It's going to be a $30 tier that does not include our live trade alerts or like our live trading floor, but you will get our analysis. So the daily analysis that I post every day after post market, I typically do anywhere from 15 to 30 charts that I'm looking at. Basically everything that's on my watch list, I'll post levels for. Support and resistance, bullish triggers, bearish triggers, what my targets would be, stuff like that. I post that every day from Monday to Friday, and then we have a weekly watch list posted on Sunday. So we will be releasing this tier on Monday, on February 1st. So be on the lookout for that. We're going to be posting some tweets on Twitter for the next few days to go over that as well. What's XL doing? Let's see. Yeah, I don't like XL when it holds below 1950. If you stay above like $20, looks a lot better. But you're losing the daily trail right now, so not too pretty. Maybe go for a gap fill down to 15. FSLR is still pushing.
Looked good this morning when I looked at it.
Yeah, it's a running, dude. Couple of pivots at like 106. You break those. Daily pivot at 107. Then there's nothing above you. Yeah, the summary markets will still be available. Yep. So basically what goes on in Discord is I release the summary markets, which is public to everybody. You guys get that on YouTube as well. But I do a summary of markets basically every single day. So you guys only get the weekly one that I release on like Sunday. So anything that I like throughout the week, I post every single day, Monday through Friday. If I add new things to my watch list, if I take things off,
and NQ around pivots.
if I yeah, anything that I add, anything that I remove, it goes on that list. And then I go more in depth in Discord. Like I'll talk about exact triggers, exact levels, where the targets are, what options you could look for, stuff like that.
Are getting nowhere near 1,000 like they were yesterday. Negative 1,000, I mean.
Yeah, and the new tier is gonna have we're gonna have like 4 channels, I believe. It's gonna be like a basic chat room, and then we're gonna have like an Ask Our Traders section where you guys can ask me or JMA or any of our analysts like basic questions, or if you guys want us to do analysis requests on any tickers, you guys can ask that. The biggest thing that you guys miss out on the lower tier is our live trading floor. You guys don't get any of our trade alerts. So all of our channels where we post our trades, we just brought on 3 new analysts. So including me, JMA, we have King Thorough, we have Stunk Trump, we have BT Trading, we have Caesar, Johnny, a couple of our community guys. They all run channels. So right now we have, I think, like 9 analysts, and we all post our trades when we take them.
I just want DraftKings to close above that fucking range, man. He is still coming down.
Yeah, another thing is when we release the new tier, we're going to be taking away our free trial to our higher tier because we've gotten a lot of members. We have a ton of members on trial right now, so we're pretty packed. So we're going to be closing off our free trial for the time being. So when that launches on Monday, there won't be a free trial anymore. The analysis section
to go to $30.
the analysis section will basically be our free trial for the analysis side of the Discord.
You need $10 first time.
Well, yeah, obviously 10 comes before 30.
I'm just fucking with you. I'm bitter. I sold my bag this morning.
On AMC.
Yeah, it was pretty deep. I took some profits yesterday, but I still had like 8 calls open this morning that I got hurt pretty bad on.
The problem with
Oh,
those
go ahead.
trades is you just can't. There's no risk management. It's like Jamie
Yeah,
said,
no.
you close them when you either like the profit or you can't take the loss anymore.
Yeah, I only actually lost money on fucking one contract in total because I was in them from like 42 cents on Tuesday of last week. I bought another one last night. I was pretty damn sure it was $22 this morning. And then all that bullshit happened, but we would have easily been at $22 this morning the way pre-market looked and shit. I was fucking fired up.
30.
Yeah, so I don't know. I gave away like 5 G's, probably fucking
I think
20,
it did
25.
get to 22 pre-market, actually.
It did. I was watching it. I was like, I fucking called that shit because JMA
I
and I
almost
think
sold
we're
it
talking
too.
back
I
and forth.
Hey, Frag, I don't know if you're new to my channel or not, but I'm not very biased, man. I'm pretty honest. I've been streaming since 2018, and I've been pretty honest with you guys from the first day. So, what I tell you guys who are new is if you're very new, you probably don't want to be paying $199 for our Discord, right? But that's why I do my free streams, man. I stream 5 days a week. I have the How to Trade playlist on YouTube. I have the weekly watch list and analysis that I do for you guys. I release a ton of free content for you guys to kind of catch up. So if you guys are like brand new to trading, that is definitely where you want to start. You want to start by hanging out in the streams, kind of learning based on what we talk about in Discord or what I show off on stream, like my levels and whatnot. But the biggest thing is the How to Trade playlist. There's like, I think about 20 videos on there. I go over almost all of my techniques that I use on a day-to-day basis for my technical analysis and whatnot. So I highly recommend anybody in here to check out the YouTube, check out the How to Trade playlist, and you will learn from those videos 100%. And then once you're ready, once you feel like you have the basic stuff down and you want to learn a little bit more, that's why we created this lower tier on Discord. So this $30 tier will be showing off our weekly watch list, our daily watch list, all my levels, my triggers, my targets, and you'll learn a lot from that. And then if you want to take it a step further, then we have our full Discord that comes with the indicators, the live trading floor. It comes with our live trade alerts, the analyst, and whatnot. So I think take those steps, and that's gonna be the best for you. Opus, if you're asking that question, man, you're already in the wrong mindset for trading. If you're asking me how much money I make on a daily basis, it's probably not for you.
Think about percentages. Also, we lose money sometimes too. That's fun.
Yeah, I like to think about, we were talking about this in Discord actually not too long ago. Red days don't matter. It's how you do on the week, how you do on the month. And we've been doing pretty damn well. If you guys want some evidence of that, you can take a look at my Twitter account. You can take a look at JMA's Twitter account. We have tons of people that post their gains in our Discord, and we post them on Twitter so you guys can see them like a testimonial. And JMA just made a thread on Twitter recently that showed off all of our gains that we've had for the past week or so. So we do pretty well, but we're pretty humble ourselves. You don't see me and JMA flashing our accounts all the time. We ask our members to post their gains so we can use them as testimonials, but you don't see the top guys in here flashing their accounts on a daily basis. But yeah, we've been doing all right. 2021 has been very good to us.
Such a professional answer that was, Deja.
You gotta tell them like it is, man.
Yes, sir.
I've always said it for my longtime viewers in Discord or in Twitch. I've been streaming for like 2 years now, and I said the same thing, or 3 years. Damn, 3 years now. Since day one, I don't flash my account. I don't flash how much money I'm making, how much money I'm losing, because I don't want to attract those kind of traders. All those gurus that do that, the people that they attract are not the people that I want to attract. The get rich quick guys that want to join trading and make a bunch of money and then fucking retire. Like that's not what trading is. We work our asses off on a daily basis, and none of us are retiring anytime soon. I'll probably fucking trade until I'm dead. All those people who make those fucking stupid ass videos of their Lambos and their mansions, or people who sit on beaches, pretend like they're trading on laptops. Like, are you kidding me? Nobody's fucking trading on a laptop on a beach. For one thing, you can't even see your fucking screen, so you couldn't possibly trade like that.
You just ruined my dream.
Now, we do have people like Connor who hits a massive gain and goes to the beach the next fucking 30 minutes. What day was that,
Damn
Connor?
right.
What'd you trade that day? Was it Neo or
I
something?
was trading Microsoft,
Oh,
like
Microsoft. Yeah.
strictly Microsoft, like for a week straight.
Yeah, it's funny. You close Microsoft. You're like, I'm going to the beach, guys. Fucking 10 minutes later, you take a picture of you on the beach. Fucking hell.
There's nothing else I'd really rather be doing, to be honest with you.
No, it's addicting, dude. That's what I'm saying. Like, even if you make a lot of money, I know we all always say it in Discord. They're like, oh, if I made $20 million, I'd be done. I probably wouldn't be done. I'd probably still be trading on a daily basis.
I'd just be trading for more money. It would be sweet.
Yeah, it's a lifestyle, and you can't get away from it once you put your fucking time into it. It sinks its claws into you.
DraftKings nuked.
Did it really? I'm not even watching it. Fuck.
Yep, just shit the bed, dude.
Oh,
Every time I trade DraftKings, it dies.
My stop loss is where it started pumping. like 54. I don't know why it's being held down so hard right here. It's been held down like 4 times on the same level. Even Pen's being held down.
Close.
I'm only down $1. $1 per share right now.
Lindbergh. That's funny, Lindbergh, until you blow out your account.
You have much free time as a trader? Yeah, free time. If you're an equities trader, the market's only 9:30 to 4. But I do a lot of work after hours. I post like analysis and stuff, so I'm basically looking at charts almost all day. The thing is, where I'm at right now, I don't feel like doing anything else. Like when the trading day is over and like in 4 minutes, I'm bored for the rest of the day. What I started doing is I start working out like right as the bell rings, just to keep my fucking mind at ease. But as soon as I'm done like working out, I'll watch some shows for a little bit. But I'm thinking about trading and I'm doing scans, or I'm looking for stuff on my watch list. I'm basically glued to the screen pretty much all fucking day.
I wish you could repeat that so my girlfriend doesn't think I'm the only one.
Yeah. Yeah, you're usually pretty stuck. The thing is, you don't feel like it's like I don't feel like I'm working. Like I enjoy looking at charts all day.
Yeah, me too, man. I mean, in everything I do, like whether it's reselling or stocks or whatever.
Yeah. No, I enjoy working.
It's fun to make money with other people that like to make money with you.
We're building a fucking empire brick by brick, man.
Yeah, I wish you guys would open up that fucking
You cut off, Johnny.
that fucking button. Open up that hedge fund in Miami, man.
Yeah.
I'll serve you guys coffee or whatever.
Oh, we'll have an OTG hedge fund in the next
That
5
would be
years.
funny. Johnny, you got to do something better than the coffee, though. You can add value for us.
Yeah, I'll just trade and fucking make you guys laugh and tell you when you're being fucking.
He'll bring the lot lizards.
Oh yeah, I could always do that. But we'll have some like $500 an hour lot lizards.
No, I'm telling you, man. Like in like a year or two, when I know I can trust you, fucking guys, and you're not gonna disappear on us, we'll all come together and buy a fucking OTG villa.
That'd be baller. I'm so in.
Oh man,
Timeshares.
We've got the money for it, so. We gotta come together and decide on which country we're fucking building it in, or buying it in.
Market's melting right before the close. Everybody.
What if we did the Deja? You could do the Cayman Islands for tax purposes, right?
Yeah, you probably could. And just say we trade out of that place all the time.
Yeah, that would be the move.
That's actually probably the move.
Yeah, did anybody get fucked? What'd I miss?
No, we're all doing good, man.
Isn't it pretty beautiful down there? Also.
Yeah, it's stunning. The Cayman Islands are awesome.
Yeah, but what's the fucking insurance like for our hurricane protection?
I don't know. King's got it.
Fuck it, man. Self-insured. Just rebuild.
Where are we going? Puerto Rico?
Cayman Islands, bruh.
We're talking about our OTG villa. We're trying to pick a country.
Oof, that's tough. Maybe Belize.
There's some like tax haven stuff in Puerto Rico too.
Swarmed by fucking bot flies in Belize.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think Puerto
Rico's
Rico. Puerto Rico's the place.
My buddy moved to Puerto Rico and he runs a multi-million-dollar vitamin company, and he moved there specifically because they only pay 4% taxes because of some fucking tax hack.
Yeah, Mucky, you'll feel that as a new trader, man. You said every time I get in a trade, top or bottom is when when a signal clicks, it goes right against me. You'll feel that sometimes, man. And I have weeks like that. Oh, the bell just rang. There's the bell. DraftKings, not a bad close. It got bought back up. I don't like that it closed below 57. But yeah, dude, you'll have weeks like that, man, where you're just every trade just goes against you. I had a time in Discord, I think it was back in like September or something. I was in 12 positions and all 12 of them were red. So even I get that stuff, man. If it's consistently like that every week, then maybe you're doing everything wrong. But if you're just having like little ruts, that's not a bad thing. Green or red on the day, guys. Green or red on the day. I am red today. Green on the week still, but gave up some profits today on Smile Direct
Little
and
red, but I'm gonna sue Robinhood for it. So
Green as fuck. Let's go.
I think almost everybody's in the same boat today. We all gave up some profits.
Yeah, but I made a bunch of money after that, so I can't really complain.
Yeah.
And I was just looking at those profits as, we made a bunch of money fucking day before, so whatever.
Unrealized, I'm actually green for the day, but my positions are down pretty good.
Yeah, I'm red. I'm red.
Somebody's Facebook calling.
I took Rhino's CCL yesterday and made 50%.
I recognize that Facebook video call. That.
That's the only thing I closed today. Oh no, I took that fucking naked, bought it at $3 pre-market, sold it for $1.50.
Oh yeah, naked, yeah.
Yeah, I looked at the long-term chart on that. That fucking thing was like a quarter.
Yeah, this thing is one of those pump and dumps that gets fucking melted every time it goes up.
Yeah, I should have done a little research on that. I just fucking aped into it.
Yeah,
That's
charts like that, if you look at the daily and zoom out and it looks like that, it's literally just used as a pump and dump vehicle for like those penny stock groups. They just pump it and sell it off.
That's literally my fucking weakness, is just aping into shit like a fucking maniac.
Yep. No, I hear you.
And now that I got your indicators and stuff, I just have no excuse to do that. I just aped into HIMS. I should have waited a little bit on that one, I think.
Yeah, HIMS is another chart that I like it, but I don't trade charts like that. I'd have to wait for some kind of consolidation or something.
The problem with me is I'm fucking driving so much.
You can't do much research.
All right, let's do it. Fuck it.
Yep. No, I hear you. Opus, a couple of our guys in here are full time, but not everybody. We got a lot of guys that work while trading. Or they pretend to work while trading.
What's up, guys? I just wanted to come in and say what's up.
Hey, Mike.
I know I've been lacking lately, but I hope you guys are doing well.
Yeah, we've been killing it.
What's up, Mike?
Yo, am I the only one who gets paranoid when I close positions and goes and like fucking checks it 10 times just to make sure it's closed?
I do
No, I
that
do
too.
that.
I feel like I obsessively stare at the shit just to make sure. All right, I'm not.
Jeremy, I can't hear you. Are you talking?
It's probably because you have your whole account in trades, King.
Shit. Whatever.
No, hey, if it works, man.
Yeah. No, I just feel like, especially with all the shit that happened today, dude, where they like auto liquidate you, I wouldn't be surprised if they would like just throw you in some orders that you never even went in.
Yeah.
My phone absolutely sucks. I'm about to get a new iPhone. I don't know what the fuck happened to it, but I hope you guys are doing well.
I don't think Mike can hear us.
Nice of you to pop in, Mike.
Oh, just kidding. I figured it out. I'm just an idiot.
You had us
Don't know how to
muted.
use technology.
Vaga, I use many different time frames. Majority of my trades I look at on daily setups, and then I'll go down to lower time frames to try to find better entries. But daily is what I've been using for the most part.
That such bullshit was just happening in chat.
Yeah, it's
It would
ridiculous.
keep going and going. Yeah, it's literally the fucking point of a short squeeze, you stupid fucks.
Yeah, that's a free market, exactly. You
What
shorted it,
assholes.
you're paying the price.
So they had to stop the losses. Really?
They had to stop the short squeeze from
So
doing its job.
let's protect our guys, the investment banks, the hedge funds, but fuck all the little guys.
That is fucking ill.
Yeah, we just read that in chat, Hagars. Oh, you posted it. There you go.
So they have no risks. We have to bear all the risks.
Exactly. They can short a company 200% short float. Who cares? It starts going
If
up, they'll
silver's taking
halt it.
off after hours. It just shut up to 1762.
What did?
What did?
Silver.
Oh, silver.
Shut up to what?
1762. It moved like a buck.
What silver are you talking about?
Yeah,
AG.
17.
Oh, Majestic. Yeah. That's not like actual silver. That's like a silver company. If you want the closest
But
thing to
AG
actual
is the
silver,
symbol.
SLV is.
I know, but AG is the symbol for silver, so
Yeah.
I say silver.
Well, that's
I know that's
Majestic.
stupid, but
Yeah. They make a lot of the physical. I think Dime has a bunch of them.
He means the element.
Oh, I get what you're saying. All right, let's look at the daily closes on a lot of these things, see if they were good. Dude, the daily charts have been ruined the past few days. Target's not bad, nice piercing candle. I still like Cloud. Not too bad. Snapchat's not too bad. FSLY is a little sketchy, but as long as it holds like 108, it's not bad. In phase, returning back into the range. Neo daily close is good. Big C actually doesn't look too bad if it holds above like 80.
Sorry, my phone died, but I'm back.
Going on. FSLR still good. Zoom is still good on the daily. Penn and DraftKings also don't look too bad.
All right, I'll catch you guys later.
Later,
Yeah,
C's.
Take it easy.
Caesar, you're not even gonna say hi to me?
What's
Shit,
up,
I'm just
man?
about to sell my AG right here. It's at 18.
Deja.
What's up?
Need some advice. I sold 2 of these SPY puts, but I'm wondering if I should keep the rest.
You sold? Oh, you mean you bought puts and you're just selling them to take profit? Or
Yeah, I bought 4. I sold half. I'm wondering if I should just keep holding.
you got
this
7
whole-
minutes left to close them if you want. It looks
We'll
good.
see.
It looks good. It looks good for a short. It fucking nuked at the end of the day.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. This hearing might be bad news.
You could go for a lower gap
What
fill
hearing?
down to 375. What hearing? Yeah.
AG is at 19.
Hey, Deja and JMA, DM me at the middle of March. I will gift 2 people subs for the month in the middle of March.
Sounds good.
It's nice of you, man.
In the middle of March. I will not remember that, but thank you.
That's why I said DM me. You have my number, don't you?
Yeah, I do. Yep.
We can probably do it sooner, honestly. I would just like to have some build up for you guys and kind of promote it, whatever the case is.
Sounds good.
We'll talk. DM me, though.
Hey, Spit Docs. You kind of catch me on the end of the stream, man. I'm getting ready to cut it off. Been a long ass day. I'm dealing with these big suit guys fucking canceling all of our trading.
Yeah, what's your take on that?
I think it's ridiculous, but nothing you can do about it. I'm hoping they get a class action lawsuit and they got to pay back people, but you know, at the end of the day, it's not going to change anything. I think most of these meme stocks are dead. They lost their momentum. Once these things lose momentum, it's really hard to get it back.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Like, I was talking to a bunch of people about GameStop, and I'm like, I see it just declining from here.
Yeah, you can't. It's like a freight train, right? Like it's going really, really fast, and then you stop it. It takes a lot longer to get that thing going again. Like it's going to be really hard for GameStop to keep going. It might go back to like 280 or something, but getting up to like the 500s, it's going to be nearly impossible because they're going to keep halting it.
I was just talking to some newbie traders here at lunch, and I wanted to show them your channel and kind of get some input because I know you guys are way ahead of the market normally.
Yeah. Yeah, we didn't see that coming. Nobody did really. We all traded we had a lot of guys in AMC overnight. I traded Nokia overnight, and they just fucked us in the morning basically. They were all doing really well pre-market. They nuked a little bit, but they started recovering. And then as soon as they started recovering, they flipped the switch. And we all got wrecked. Thankfully, I was in a really small position. It was like a lotto position. Gave away some gains. Patrick, most of the indicators on my screen are premium indicators, like the Oasis Trading Suite. This screen, all I have is the OTS and volume. I don't use anything else. My other screens use like moving averages. I've got like Momo, Auto SR, but they're pretty much all the premium indicators. This one I use like moving average ribbons, which you can find on TradingView. But for the most part, I just use our premium stuff. But alright guys, I'm going to call it a stream on that. I appreciate you guys being here. I'll be streaming again tomorrow, same time as always, 3 p.m. Eastern. Make sure to hit that like button on YouTube if you guys like this stream. If you guys are new here, subscribe. I stream 5 days a week, 3 p.m. Eastern every day. And then for analysis in Discord, I will be posting that typical time, probably around 8 or 9 o'clock. So be on the lookout for that. And then I'll be here tomorrow morning for our live trading session, 9:30. All right, guys. Peace out, guys.